Hello, my name is Tom Lamb, and today we'll be going over the installation and maintenance guide for TAM Multi-Touch Mid-Air in Motion for Virtual and Augmented Reality version 6.0, Learning Data Structures with Augmented Reality for Computer Science Education. What you see on the screen is an outline of what I'll be going over today. Please pause the video and take a look. We'll be downloading the minimum tools required to run the project, including Unity Game Engine, the Vuforia AR plugin for Unity, as well as Visual Studios. If you wish to run on a Windows Store, as a Windows Store application, please download and install the Windows 10 Universal SDK. Likewise, for Android, you will need to download and install the Android SDK as well as the Java Development Kit. You'll then proceed to download the code from GitHub and then open the .unity file through Unity. You can download the personal version of Unity at store.unity.com. You can install that. Afterwards, you will need to download the plugin for Vuforia at developer.vuforia.com/downloads/SDK. Select the Download for Unity package. For your Visual Studios IDE, you can download the community version. It is free and available to all. If you are deploying to a Windows platform, you will need to go to Files, your build settings, and customize how you want to build the application. Afterwards, you can then build the application, find a place to save, and open the .sln file with Visual Studios, setting it to a release build and x64 and running on local machine settings. The application should run at that point. You can go to File, Build Settings, selecting Windows Store, and selecting your appropriate settings. Be sure to select Development Build, as this optimizes your code. Click Build and find a place to save, and after saving, you can open up the .sln file in Visual Studios, selecting the appropriate settings up here, Release, x64, and Local Machine. After hitting this button, the application will launch, and you will be able to view your application as if it was deployed on a Windows Store. For Android, it is almost the same, with some minor fixes and details. You will have to plug in your Android device to the computer via USB, and you'd have to enable USB debugging mode. This can be done by going directly into your settings, About Device, and tapping on the build number 7 times to enable developer mode. Go back to your previous page and scroll down to enable USB debugging. And like Windows, you will go to your file, go to your build settings, and then player settings to customize the application. Then going back to build and run, finding a place to save, and running it on the Android device. Going to File, Build Settings, selecting Android, and being very sure to select Development Build. Click Build and Run, and the application should run on your Android device. However, before you do that, you will need to select a company name, a product name, and a bundle identifier. These things will be unique to your application and your application only. Now, suppose you were starting a new project and not starting on this one, you will need to go download all these tools and then import Vuforia AR plugin for Unity. To do that, you will need to start a new project and then import the package, the Vuforia AR plugin. This will allow you to gain access to the AR camera as well as the Vuforia behavior script. Opening the Vuforia console will give you an area where you can have your application license key and enabling any of your data sets. where you can download your Unity package from here. Go to your license manager after you create an account and create a license key. This license key you can copy and paste directly into your application, which is shown here. This will allow the application to find your datasets. To upload your images of your AR markers, you will need to go to the Target Manager and create a new database and simply add images to the database. Once you are done, you can download the database, and again, like the AR package, you can import it directly and then activate it here. Thank you for watching.